In this quick video, we use systemctl, which is a command line tool for controlling services on Linux. Let's assume we have a service named HTTPD, which is the Apache HTTP Server. We'll start the service with systemctl start HTTPD. Then we can check the status using that command, which here shows the status, and as you can see here, it is disabled, but it's active, currently running. Okay, next we will stop the service using stop, and as you can see, the service is now inactive. One more command is restarting. We can restart the service, so instead of just starting it back, we just use the command restart, and we check the status, and we see that it's back running actively. So I showed you that it was disabled earlier, so how can we enable it? We just use systemctl enable HTTPD. We enable it so that when we enable the service so that it will start at boot time instead of always starting it, enabling it every time we want to use the Apache HTTP service. Okay, so now let's check the status again, and you can see that it is enabled, and also you can disable using the disable command, and if you check your status, it's back to being disabled. So yeah, systemctl is a powerful tool for managing services on Linux.